Stop looking at 2026 economy cars that feel like cheap toys. If you have $15,000 and you want to drive like a boss without the luxury repair bills, you're looking at the wrong brands. Today, we're exposing the luxury hack of the decade. If you are tired of feeling every single pothole in the road and hearing the roar of the wind at 60 miles per hour, the 2015 Lexus ES350 is the cure. In 2026, while people are paying $40,000 for basic sedans with cheap plastics, you can find this cloud on wheels for under $15,000. It is, quite simply, the most stress-free car ever built. Under the hood is the legendary 3.5-liter 2G RFE V6. This isn't just an engine, it's a masterpiece that Toyota put in everything from the Camry to the Lotus Evora. It produces 268 horsepower of pure, linear silk. No turbos, no lag, just effortless power. The mechanics reality check. But Conca, even a Lexus has its secrets. If you're hunting for one, here is exactly what you need to look for to avoid a luxury headache. The timing cover. Leak. This is the most famous quirk of this V6 engine. Look at the passenger side of the engine. If you see oil seeping from the timing cover, it's a massive job because the engine usually has to come out to fix it. Mechanics tip. Small seeps are normal and can go for another 100,000 miles. If it's a drip, use it to negotiate at least $2,000 off the price. Sunroof. Drain clogs. This is the hidden killer of Lexus interiors. If those drains get clogged with leaves or dust, water backs up and leaks into the A-pillars, potentially frying your expensive electronics. Grab a weed whacker line, poke it through the drains, and save yourself a $3,000 repair bill. The infotainment mouse. Lexus used a joystick-like controller, remote touch. In 2026, it can feel a bit clunky. Check if the haptic feedback still works. If it feels loose or doesn't click, the unit might need a rebuild. Dash melting, the sticky dash. While mostly fixed by 2015, some cars in hot climates like Texas or Florida might still have a slightly tacky feel on the dashboard. Run your hand across it. If it feels like a used piece of gum, keep looking for a better-kept example. Why it's a hidden gem in 2026. The ES350 is essentially a Toyota Avalon wearing a tuxedo. That means you get Lexus-level soundproofing and Mark Levinson audio, but you pay Toyota prices for parts. Your local mechanic already knows how to fix this car because it shares so much with the Camry. If you want a car that makes you feel like you've had a spa day every time you drive home from work, this is it. It's quiet, it's prestigious, and if you change the oil every 5,000 miles, it will outlive most of us. If you want Lexus LS comfort but you want to keep a low profile, the 2012 Toyota Avalon is the ultimate stealth wealth move. This was the final year of the third generation, often called the baby Lexus, because it's built on the same stretch platform as the ES. Inside, it's massive. We're talking about rear seats that actually recline, a feature you usually only find in a Mercedes S-Class. Under the hood is that same bulletproof 3.5-liter V6 that we love. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it's arguably the most comfortable sedan Toyota ever put its name on. The mechanics reality check. VVT-I rubber hose. On early 2012 models, check if the VVT-I oil line was replaced with the all-metal version. The old rubber ones can burst, and that's game over for your engine in seconds. Dashboard cracks. These cars love the sun, but their dashboards don't. Look for cracks near the airbag seams. It's purely cosmetic, but it's a great way to negotiate $500 off. Steering intermediate shaft. If you feel a tiny clunk in the steering wheel when turning at low speeds, it's usually this shaft. It's not dangerous, just a $300 fix to make it feel brand new again. In 2026, the 2012 Avalon is the smartest buy for anyone who values space and silence over a flashy badge. It's a 300,000-mile car disguised as a grandpa's cruiser. If you want to feel like the most important person in the city for under $15,000, the 2012 Lexus LS 460 is the only answer. In 2026, most cars have 3-cylinder engines and screens that look like iPads glued to the dash. The LS 460? It has a 4.6-liter V8 that is so balanced, you can balance a coin on the engine block while it's running. It produces 380 horsepower of pure, silent authority. When you close the double-paned glass windows in this car, the world simply disappears. It is a vault, it is a sanctuary. But Conca, buying a used flagship means you need to have flagship knowledge. If you don't check these three things, your dream car will become a financial nightmare. The mechanic's reality check. The control arm crisis. This is the most common issue. The LS460 has a complex multi-link front suspension with 8 control arms. The rubber bushings fail over time, leading to a clunking sound. Mechanic's tip. The dealership will ask for $4,000 to fix this. Don't do it. Buy high-quality aftermarket arms with polyurethane bushings for a fraction of the cost and have an independent shop install them. The brake actuator. This is the big one. If you hear a barking or clicking sound every time you touch the brakes, or if the pedal feels like a sponge, the brake actuator is failing. In 2026, this is a $2,500 to $3,000 repair. Always, and I mean always, check the service history to see if this has been replaced. If not, make sure you have an emergency fund ready. Air suspension versus coils. Many LS460s came with air suspension. It feels amazing until a strut leaks and costs $1,500 per corner. Pro tip: look for an AWD or base model that someone has already converted to high-quality coil springs. You lose 5% of the comfort, but you gain 100% peace of mind. The melting interior, just like the ES. We talked about earlier 460s had door panels and dashboards that turned into sticky messes in hot weather. By 2012, Lexus fixed most of this, but still, do the touch test on the armrests before buying. Why it's the ultimate flex in 2026. Even 14 years later, the LS460 still commands respect. It has features that 2026 entry-level cars still don't have. Climate-controlled seats that sense your body temperature, power closing doors, and a Mark Levinson sound system that makes you feel like you're in the front row of a concert. It's the most reliable V8 luxury car ever made. If you find one with 150,000 miles and a stack of service records, buy it. You'll be driving a masterpiece while everyone else is driving a plastic box. If you want the luxury of a Lexus RX, but you don't want to pay the Lexus Premium, the 2015 Toyota Venza is your answer. In 2026, most people have forgotten this car exists, which is exactly why it's a steal. It was designed in California specifically for people who wanted a Camry on steroids, with a massive touch of class. Look at those lines. It has 20-inch wheels standard on the V6 models, a panoramic glass roof, and a cabin that feels wider and more airy than almost any SUV in its class. It's the perfect in-between car for people who hate how clunky big SUVs feel, but need more space than a sedan. The mechanic's reality check. The steering rattle. This is a common Toyota thing from this era. If you feel a slight vibration or hear a clunk in the steering column over bumps, it's usually a small plastic dampener gear that costs about $10. The labor is the expensive part, so use this to negotiate the price down. The panoramic roof seals. That huge glass roof is beautiful until it leaks. Check the headliner for water stains. Mechanic's tip: clean the rubber seals twice a year with silicone spray to keep them supple and watertight. V6 versus 4-cylinder. The 4-cylinder is okay, but for a car this heavy, you want the 3.5-liter V6. It's the same engine as the Lexus ES we just talked about, bulletproof, powerful, and it actually gets similar gas mileage in real-world driving because it doesn't have to work as hard. All-wheel drive maintenance. If you get the AWD version, make sure to change the rear differential fluid every 30,000 miles. It's a cheap 15-minute service that prevents a $3,000 rear-end failure. In 2026, the 2015 Venza is the ultimate life hack. It's more reliable than a BMW X5, more stylish than a Highlander, and it still looks like a $40,000 car when you pull up to a restaurant. It's the luxury car for people who are too smart to follow the crowd. Are you tired of choosing between a car that looks good and a car that doesn't eat your entire paycheck at the gas station? In 2026, the 2013 Lexus CT200H is the ultimate cheat code. It's a luxury hatchback that shares its DNA with the world-famous Toyota Prius. That means you get 40+ miles per gallon while sitting in a cabin wrapped in Lexus-grade materials. It's small, it's nimble, and it has a sport mode that actually changes the gauge cluster from a hybrid monitor to a tachometer. But let's be real, Conca. You aren't buying this to win drag races. You're buying it because you want a car that can easily go 300,000 miles. But since it's a hybrid from 2013, there are some high-voltage secrets you need to know. The mechanics reality check. The hybrid battery. Health. This is the elephant in the room. By 2026, the original battery is likely near the end of its life. Mechanics tip. Don't let the dealership scare you with a $5,000 quote. There are specialized shops that can swap out individual dead cells or install a refurbished battery for under $1,500. It's a one-time expense that pays for itself in gas savings in less than a year. The EGR valve clog. This is the silent killer of the CT200H. The exhaust gas recirculation, EGR system, gets choked with carbon buildup. If you don't clean it, it can lead to a blown head gasket. Pro tip. Every 100,000 miles, have your mechanic pull the EGR valve and cooler to clean them out. It's a $200 maintenance task that saves you a $3,000 engine rebuild. Low ground clearance. This car sits very low to the ground. Check the underside of the front bumper and the plastic splash shields. In 2026, with our crumbling roads, these are often cracked or missing. Use this as a negotiation point. Headlight condensation. Early CT models love to trap moisture in the headlight assemblies. If you see fog inside the lens, the seal is gone. It's not just ugly, it can short out the expensive LED bulbs. Why it's a smart luxury move. The 2013 CT200H is the perfect city car. It's easy to park, it looks sharp in a corporate parking lot. And the Mark Levinson audio system, if you can find one, is world-class. It's for the person who wants the Lexus badge, but has the common sense to want Toyota Prius maintenance costs. In a world of complicated plug-in hybrids and expensive EVs, this simple, self-charging Lexus is a breath of fresh air. It's a luxury car that actually makes you money by saving it every single day. If you want to know which SUV has the highest probability of hitting 300,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance, you're looking at it. The 2012 Lexus RX 350. In 2026, this remains the gold standard for what a luxury crossover should be. Quiet, incredibly comfortable, and fundamentally unbreakable. It uses the same 3.5-liter 2GRF EV6 as the ES and Avalon, but here it's paired with an available all-wheel drive system that makes it a beast in the snow. It's the ultimate peace of mind machine, but Conca, even a queen, has an Achilles heel. If you want this car to last forever, you have to watch out for these three specific things. The mechanics reality check. The oil cooler line time bomb. This is the most critical advice I can give you. On early 2012 models, some oil cooler lines were made of rubber. Over time, they dry out and burst, spraying all your engine oil out in seconds. Mechanics tip: check the line immediately. If it's rubber, spend the $200 to swap it for the upgraded all-metal version. It's the difference between a cheap upgrade and a $10,000 engine replacement. The power liftgate failure. This is the #1 annoyance on this generation. The motors for the automatic trunk can get tired or the struts can fail. If the trunk doesn't open with the button, check the glove box switch first. Sometimes it's just turned off. If it's the motor, it can be expensive, so make sure it opens and closes smoothly during your test drive. Steering rack leaks. Take a flashlight and look at the steering rack boots. If they are wet or covered in grime, the rack is leaking power steering fluid. It's a common issue that shows up around 120,000 miles. It's a big job, so if you see a leak, use it to negotiate at least $1,500 off the asking price. Dashboard cracks. Just like its cousins, the RX can suffer from a sticky or cracking dashboard if it's spent its life in the sun. Check the surface. If it looks shiny or feels tacky, it's a sign of UV damage. Why it's a no-brainer in 2026. The RX350 is the car you buy when you're done with the drama of European luxury SUVs. It doesn't have the repair bills of an X5 or the electrical gremlins of a Range Rover. It's a Toyota Highlander in a high-end designer suit. It's spacious, the Mark Levinson sound system is still incredible, and in 2026, it still looks perfectly at home in the valet line of a 5-star hotel. Change the oil every 5,000 miles, swap that oil line for a metal one, and this queen will serve you for another decade without skipping a beat. We've talked about clouds, we've talked about hybrids, but now it's time for a car that would probably survive an apocalypse. The 2012 Toyota 4Runner. In 2026, finding a clean 5th-gen 4Runner for under $15,000 is getting harder because people have realized these are 500,000-mile machines. While other SUVs are built on car frames, this is a body-on-frame beast. It's essentially a luxury tank. Under the hood is the 4.0-liter 1G RFE V6. It's not the fastest engine, and it definitely isn't the most fuel-efficient, but it is one of the most reliable engines ever built by human beings. It uses a timing chain, not a belt, so you can forget about that expensive maintenance. But Conca, even a tank has a few weak spots you need to inspect. The mechanic's reality check, the frame rust, the silent killer. This is the single most important thing. 4Runners are mechanically immortal, but their frames can rot. Get under the car with a screwdriver. If the frame flakes off like a pastry, walk away. Mechanic's tip: if the frame is solid, invest $500 in a professional fluid film or wool wax, undercoating immediately. It's the best insurance you can buy for this car. The secondary air injection pump. This is a common 2012 quirk. If you see a limp mode light or a CEL, this pump might be failing due to moisture. Instead of paying $2,000 for a new pump, look for a bypass kit. It's a $150 electronic fix that satisfies the computer and keeps the truck running forever. The rear window. Motor, one of the coolest features of the 4Runner is the rear window that rolls down. But because it's exposed to dust and mud, the motor can burn out. Test it 5 times in a row. If it struggles or sounds like it's grinding coffee, it's about to die. X-Riaz suspension. Leaks. If you find a limited trim, it might have the X-Riaz Sport suspension. It's linked diagonally, and when one shock leaks, the whole system is compromised. Pro tip: don't fix it. Swap it out for a set of high-quality Bilstein shocks. It'll ride better and last 5 times longer for half the price. Why it's the ultimate investment in 2026. The 2012 4Runner is the only car on this list that might actually be worth more in 2 years than it is today. Its resale value is legendary. It's for the person who wants to look like they spend their weekends off the grid, even if they're just going to the grocery store. It's rugged, it's iconic, and it's the last of a dying breed of real SUVs. If you find one with a clean frame and a solid service history, don't think, just buy it. It's not just a car, it's a member of the family that will never quit on you.